In front of me is TCL 50 Pro NxtPaper, and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Security and Privacy. Then scroll all the way down to hit Privacy and tap on Permission Manager. Now select one of your device's features you wish to manage. Click on one of your apps and tap on one of those options. Allow only while using the app, ask every time, or don't allow. Then go back. If you want to manage one of those apps instead of one of those features, click on the chosen one, scroll all the way down, and this time choose See All Permissions. Then manage all of those only for chosen app the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!